If you are preparing for JAMB, you know that you need a lot of tools. You need certain level of materials that will help you to prepare. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can get past questions that will help you in your preparation. Why do we even need past questions? Why do you need past questions when you are preparing? I'm going to show you why you need past questions and how you can get those past questions of your 4 subjects free of charge. One of the reasons why you need past questions is that it helps you to understand the format of the exam. I mean, the format for writing JAMB is different from the format for writing WAEC, NECO, and your normal internal exam. So when you review past questions before you enter into the JAMB exam hall, it shows you the format. Okay, this one has number of questions. This is how use of English as a subject will be said. This is the number of questions that they will get from the novel and all the rest. So it's very important. Past questions will give you the format with the following asking the questions. I'm going to show you how you can get the past questions. It's a very simple thing, how you can just get them without paying. Identify strengths and weaknesses. When you are reviewing past questions, solving past questions, it shows you your subject of strength and subject of weakness, the subject you are doing well in and the subject you need to put in more effort. Even when you now come into the subject, it tells you the topics you have mastered and the topics you need to pay more attention to, so you know where to improve. It's very important. It will also tell you what matters most, like the subject that matters most, the topics that is always coming. By the time you do 2024 past question, do 2025, do other years, and you see that in this subject, this particular topic is coming out consistently, and they ask the question in this pattern, in that topic, in that subject, you will know what matters most. You will know where to channel much of your effort, right? It will also help you to master time management. Of course, when you enter into the exam hall, there will be because it's computer based, you don't have all the time. When you practice past questions, if you have 40 questions or 60 questions and you time it, you will be able to know, okay, it normally takes me 60 minutes to solve this question. That's 1 hour per minute. Or it normally takes me this number of minutes. You will now benchmark it with the number of minutes you'll be needing inside the JAMB hall itself. So it helps you to manage time. Okay? Very important. It also builds confidence. As you are solving the past questions and getting them right, your confidence as an individual will be rising. Now, I will show you how you can get some of these past questions. I don't know the subject you'll be writing. Come under the comment of this video and tell me the 4 subjects we'll be writing too. But that is where you must have subscribed to this YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed, just like this video, boop the like button and come under the comment of this video and tell me the 4 subjects we'll be writing. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, like this video, then come under the comment and share with me the 4 subjects we'll be writing. It could be chemistry, it could be commerce, it could be CRA, it could be economics, it could be government, it could be mathematics, right? It could be physics, it could be principle of accounting, it could be use of English. Of course, you know that use of English is compulsory plus the novel. There will be a literary piece, a novel you will need to read. Then it could be literature of English. Anyone, whether I mentioned it here or not, just come under this video and let me know those topics you will be writing. Like I said, studying with past questions will help you a lot. Look at this now. Look at this example. This is a past question on what? On biology. You may not be writing biology, but I can send you the past question. Now, if you want us to send you past questions on biology, it's a very simple thing. What you just need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you come under this video and share with me the 4 subjects you will be writing, and then tell me to send you the syllabus. I mean, if you also want the syllabus, if you want the past question, when you subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, you can tell us, okay, you can see many years, and I will share with you, not just for biology, I can share with you for other subjects too. If you want, like if you tell us that your subject is mathematics, I can share with you mathematics past question on JAMB mathematics past question is also available. What you need is subscribe to our YouTube channel and tell me the ones you need, the subject you need. Remember, indicate the subject you need, tell me the subject you need, and we will be able to send them across to you. Remember what I said, comment the first subject you need. Then when you watch this video to the end, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under this video and tell me those topics, those subjects you need me to send you past question, or if you also need me to send you the official JAMB syllabus for this year, also come under this video and tell me to send you the official JAMB syllabus for this year. I wish you all the best of luck in your examination.